Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given exponential function. In this given, we have a special form of exponentiation because our base here contains the Euler's number. So we're going to use the second form of the exponential rule to solve for the antiderivative of this given function. We are given with the integral of 7 e to the power of x dx. Okay? Take note that 7 here is just the constant multiple. In short, we're going to use here the constant multiple rule as well as we try to separate that 7 from the integral of e to the power of x dx. Now, of course, for some, automatically we know what the answer is, but allow me to insert here again as a review for the special form of the exponential rule, which tells us that we have the integral of your e to the power of x dx is just equal to e to the power of x plus c. So it's just itself plus any constant that you can think of. So generally, applying that for this situation, we have 7 times e to the power of x itself plus c, which would give us 7 e to the power of x plus 7c using the distributive property. But since c already is a representation for any form of constant, regardless of whether it has a multiple of 7 or not, then basically just for one answer, let's just write it as 7 e to the power of x plus c. Again, this is by using the special form of the exponential rule because our base here is an Euler's number. If our base is not an Euler's number, if it's any constant greater than 0 as long as it's not equal to 1, we're going to use the general form that we have discussed previously. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!